This is 8-8. This is question number 5 from your homework. Similar to question 4, it's a three-dimensional figure. We're looking for the surface area, so let's open it up and make it flat and look at it like it's a net. So I'm going to start by drawing this base here, which is a rectangle. And that rectangle is 18 by 14. This side and this side are the same dimensions. They're 14 by 14. So 14 that direction and 14 this direction. 14 that direction and 14 this direction. This guy in front is 18 by 14. 18 by 14. And then the guy straight behind him is also 18 by 14. And then you've got this lid. And, you know, there's different ways that we could draw it. If I wanted to try to connect it to this figure, I'm going to try. It would be, let's see, let me erase all this other stuff here. Okay, that's better. Purple. So this triangle, the one in the front here, is 18. And then this length is 16. So that would be, oh, I've made a mistake. Hold on. Let's blame it on Tommy. This guy and that guy are mistakes. Those blue lines were 18 by 14. The direction that was 14 was this one. Not straight across the top, because straight across the top is 18. Okay, now I feel better. Okay, so that purple triangle right there would come off of the side that's 18, and then the height of it is 16. And then there's another one back here, 18 and 16. And then we've got these guys, and these guys are a different size than the purple ones because this direction is only 14. So they're going to come off here and here. This direction is 14, and then the height is also 16. Okay. All right, so let's do some math here. Let's do our rectangles first. This red one and this red one are both 14 times 14. I think 14 times 14 is 196. Yep. So the two red ones are 196. What if I wrote it like this? Would that be okay? And then the blue ones are 18 times 14. 18 times 14 is 112. So we have two of them that are 112. And then the green one, the base, is 18 times 14, which I think I just did. Whoops. 18 times 14. Wait. 18 times 14. Why did I get 112? 18 times 14 is 252. I just really don't want to start over. I don't know if you can tell. All right. 196 times 2 plus the blue one is 14 times 18, which is not that, 252, and there's two of those. And then, and then we've got the green guy. The green guy is 14 times 18, also 252, and there's only one of them. And the yellow guys are 16 tall and 14 long. And remember, the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So it's going to be 14 times 16 divided by 2, which is I think 112. There's our 112. Did I hit divided by 2? I think I did. 112, and there's 2 of them. And finally, the purple guys. The purple guys are 18 times 16. 18 times 16 divided by 2. 18 times 16 divided by 2. 144. And there's 2 of them. So if I go through and do all of that math, 196 times 2 is 392. 252 times 2 is 504. 252 was, oh my gosh, I'm not having a good, 504 plus 252 was all by himself. The reason I'm not like typing all of this straight into my calculator is the calculator I have won't do order of operations. So we got to make sure all of the multiplying happens before any of the addition. 112 times 2 is 224, and then the last one, 144 times 2 is 288. And then if I add those up, 288 plus 224 plus 252 plus 504 plus 392. So there's a lot of room here to have made an error. So the surface area is 1,660. These are centimeters, and the shape of those centimeters are squares. That's what I think the answer is, but I brought up this assignment on my screen next to me so that I could put in the answers as I go and then check my work. So let's see. Kieran needs 1660 centimeters square of paper. Oh, it's right. It's right. Okay. You're doing great. I'm gonna load this one.